Hello, good afternoon guys. Sai here again. Right now I'm at the Handawadi train station in Yangon. In today's video, I will be showing you guys the smallest car wash on the earth in Basically, it's located in Yangon, guys. You can see the street shop behind me is like a family car wash in Yangon. So if you want to come to wash your car, you can come and check here. The price also very cheap, guys, compared to the big car wash shop. If you wash here, you need to pay maybe just around 3,000 to 5,000 kyat, and pretty cheap, even less than $1 USD, guys. So stay tuned until the end of the video. I will be showing you guys around how they are doing the car wash. Here, guys, you just get only two buckets, the black and the white one. The black one is with the soup, and then the white one with the water. The lady with the black and black shirt and then the black pant, she just rub my car with the soup, and after that she just wash. This is the surrounding area around the smallest car wash station. There's no name for the shop, and then there's no electricity and nothing at all, guys. Here they just got the plastic chair for the customer to sit and wait while they are washing their cars, guys. So my wife and kid, they just sit and stand by here while they are washing my car. Here is another kid and the lady. They are continuing washing my car while I'm waiting and doing the vlog, guys. This is the smallest car wash in Yangon, but the quality is very good after the washing and cleaning your car. I really recommend it to come and wash here if you are staying in Yangon and you are renting the car and driving by yourself. This is like a family shop, but it's pretty cool experience to wash here, guys. Very good. There's another, look like their grandpa. We have this lady and kid washing the car stuff. This is guy. That's how they wash the car at the smallest shop in Yangon city. And here is the location of the shop, guys. We want to come and watch your cars. Anyway, if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share, guys, to help us make more video. Thanks for watching, guys. Here is after they washed my car, is pretty clean and tidy, guys. Wow, it's shiny and nice. Okay, that's it, guys. Bye bye.